Well, I did see the RISVU recruitment training on Facebook, and then I did read about the history, and then I thought it was a good one for me because I'm just starting. And then I did call up, and then I was called in for a workshop, and then I came in for the workshop. Listening to the workshop, I decided that this is the right thing for me. And then I had to sign up with Joe, and then Joe told me I'll have to come up for another day just for training, a one-to-one training. And then I did come in for the one-to-one training, almost for an hour with him, showing me how to make calls and getting contracts and getting the clients. And then I did get one client, of which I'm working on it now. And then for my company, I wish to expand it in the future across UK and abroad.